Welcome back to Shaving Down Under. I'm Doug. We have another unboxing, and this is something I bought from Australia eBay. Oh, they've been shopping at Men's Biz. So if you are in Australia, or you could just be anywhere around the world, you want to look at a shaving site that does more than just shaving. Obviously does soaps, razors, blades, perfumes for men. Check it out, Men's Biz. And no, I'm not paid to say this. It's just somewhere I've shopped and I've liked it. And I think you should go check it out yourselves. So this is a little beauty. There we go, Chic Repeating Razor, made by Magazine Repeated Razor Co. 285 Madison Avenue, New York. So the thing I found out about this, come on, is that this is the first ever Chic razor, or first Chic razor ever made, and this thing is in mint condition. Now I've just got to get it to drop out. So this little thing here, I believe, look, that hasn't even been used. So I can't even open it up to show you. This houses the blades. So that would just, that would almost lift off now. You look there, that sticker is all in place. That hasn't been broken. 20 for 75 cents. Made in the USA. This is just a crazy find. And I wasn't sure if it was original to start with. I thought, I've never seen this handle, but then I did look into it, and I just Googled images, and something very similar came up, so I went for it. And then this little group of razor enthusiasts that I'm a part of, I showed them that I bought this, and someone very graciously left a link for the history of Chic razors. So this is the first ever Chic razor that was ever made, and it's just mint. I am pretty spun out about this. Leave it there if you want to just pause and then read the paperwork. There's a thing for the magazine. This is just sensational. So I don't know if this is an Australian collector that decided to move this on, or this is a collector who just found it in Australia, or just an antiques dealer, because I think they had a couple other razors up and going, who just happened to come across this. But it's just in amazing condition. And to be honest, it's I find it hard to believe that it's been found in Australia. an American razor in this condition. Rightio. So I don't know if I need to loosen that off or not. Or we can get away with it for now. Interesting how it's the combination of come on, chrome and gold. Here comes the cat. Open up the back. That's where the blades go into. See if we can get that to focus. Or does that pull out? Yeah. What have we got here? Oh, nothing. That's what happens when you play with things. I hope I haven't stuffed things up. I don't think I have. It's just a matter of how did that come out. I think that went in like that. Or did it? Oh, I'll fix this up off camera. Or was it? Like that? No, couldn't have been. Anyway, I'm messing around here. I'm going to have to get the instructions out. There, so it went like that. It's an interesting design, really. Probably too complicated for its own good. Anyway, we'll get the instructions out how to put it back together. Let's have a look. Okay. So maybe I had it. It goes like that. Clip holder. Oh, I'll have to play this video backwards and to see how I did it. Anyway, so that's it. I'll just screw that on to show you. So there it is. It's a beautiful razor. It's mint. It's close to new old stock. You could even argue it is new old stock. It's an interesting design on the handle, like a shattered glass before there was shattered glass. A very nice thickness to hold, I must admit. If I can come across a spare one of these, I will buy it, and just so I can try this razor out. Okay, thanks for sticking around, and leave some comments below, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much. Ciao for now.